How to move a column row in Excel. Have you ever had the need to move a row or column to another place while working in Excel? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel that we want to edit. I have this Excel. However, what if, for example, I want to move this column all the way to the end? How can I do that? To do that, we will highlight the entire column and click on the letter for that column. When the entire column has turned green, press and hold the Shift button on our keyboard. Now, while holding Shift, move the cursor to the end of that column and pinch and move it to the end. It's the same thing with rows. We will stick to the order we want. When it turns green, click and move it wherever you want. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.